Hey Wolfpack, today we're going to talk about appropriate volume. Please watch this brief clip that explains the different noise levels used in school.
Here are the noise levels: absolute silence, whisper, talking, presentation voice. But why do we need them? Silence is needed for individual focused work. Whispering is for when some people are working alone and others are getting help from a partner. Talking is when everyone is working together. Presentation voice is for when one person is presenting information to a large group, so you have to be loud. Let's practice. 0 means silence, 1 means whisper, 2 means talk, 3 means present. Let's do this.
Now that we understand the different types of noise levels, let's review some scenarios and discuss which volume would be most appropriate. Teachers, please pause the video and discuss the scenarios on screen and what acceptable noise levels each situation calls for. Thanks for tuning in, Wolfpack, and keep following Chinook's Big Three.